Day 2. And of course, me and Mary had to bring these guys breakfast. Mary, can you believe that? See how grumpy she looks? Not buckled up. Unbuckled. Look at that. Nice mural painting for all the semi-truck drivers out there. What do you say, Mary? Hey. Yeah? Play area. You see what I see? It's on. Hang on, Mary. We're going. Nice. The exact same spot as yesterday? I might as well do the same. Yo, I got you Ass Turkey's McDonald's. It was 3 miles past this place. That's a road trip. Mary, you're standing on my camera bag. Mary, that's my bag.
I think I'm playing chess, I see a king, I'm at his neck. 2 steps ahead of every move, now that's a check. Yes, they wanna know my secret, it's because I never slept. All my nightmares of me at 40, life's a wreck. See my dad, he in debt, and my mom, she upset. That's way back when 408 on Seminole.
Ain't going nowhere. I ain't going nowhere. Mary? You ain't going nowhere, Mary. Stay in there. We're gonna have to get that guy up.
What did we get ourselves into? Oh, spinning. Maybe kick her in 4-wheel drive? No, she's got her all day.
All right.
Should be ready.
Swerve left and right.
We be trying to time this?
It's gonna be hard.
Just throw a helmet on and hope. Got that drone going. Oh yeah.
Alright, talk to you in the frame. Hopefully this works.